Hello, everybody out there. This is Dr. Jozolowski again in Social Work 336. We are in Workshop 5. We are nearing the end of this course already. Uh, Great work so far from everybody. And I would just like to say that this week we're going to tackle like social policies and social programs that are related to mental health. So it's going to be a very interesting week. We're going to take a look at a couple chapters in our book in a reading. We're going to do a devotional about the power of prayer. We're going to tackle a discussion board about mental health as it applies to children and families and people, individuals. You continue to build your social policy paper by doing the impact portion this week. And then you finish it off with an open book quiz that I'm sure you're going to do fantastic on. I know you are looking forward to finishing this off and moving one step closer to becoming the social worker that God designed you to be. I wish you peace this week.